Staying happy and maintaining a positive outlook can be challenging, but there are several things you can do to promote and maintain happiness. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life and express gratitude for them. Connect with others, spend time with loved ones, make new friends, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity has been shown to improve mood and overall well-being. Get enough sleep. Good sleep habits can help improve mood, reduce stress, and increase energy levels. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation, yoga, or other mindfulness practices can help you stay focused on the present moment and reduce stress. Give back. Volunteering, helping others, and giving back to your community can improve self-esteem and provide a sense of purpose. Pursue your passions and interests, engage in activities that you enjoy and that bring you fulfillment. Seek help if needed. If you are feeling overwhelmed, sad, or experiencing symptoms of depression or anxiety, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional for support. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination, and it takes effort and consistency to maintain a positive outlook.